Dear brothers and sisters, please win a soul to church this morning. Shalom.
Come on, don't time.
You don't see this one, mango. Fast.
Come on, sharp. Yeah, I got finished by it. Play, teacher.
Happy Sunday, madam. Madam, this thing you are doing is not good. You are not helping yourself at all. You are a woman. You are a lady. You are not supposed to be doing this. Madam, what if you see your child doing this? Will you be happy? Won't you be disappointed? If you are to be my sister, I swear I will beat you. Oh. Forget this. I will beat you. Now you follow me to church. Follow me to church this morning so that we can deliver you from this. Only God that can deliver you.
Since when you play this game, now you're on the enter.
I say stop this, my friend.
God have mercy upon us.
Get this man down.